Hi, this is Gail with Beaded Jewelry Diva, and today we are going to talk giveaway. Yes, giveaway. It's me giving back to you because you all are some of the nicest people in the world. I don't think I could have lasted as long on YouTube if it hadn't been for you. So I wanted to do a shout out to all my subscribers and all my yet to be subscribed subscribers to say a great big thank you. So the giveaway is really because of you. And it's my money. I'm not getting reimbursed or sponsored or anything by it. So this is truly me giving back to you. But before I get into the details of the giveaway, I'm just going to show you a little bit about what I've been doing lately and some upcoming projects. This one is a Turkish round mail chainmail bracelet. It looks very complicated, but it is actually a very easy weave to work with. So look for that sometime in the future. This is one that I really am not going to be doing a tutorial on, but I just wanted to show off. It's a little froggy on what I've made into kind of like a lily pad. Still a work in progress. I don't know what else I'm going to do to this because, it needs a necklace or it needs something. But look for that. Eventually I will finish it and post a picture of it. All right, some upcoming projects. Here's one that I keep, anyway, here's one that I constantly turn around. I'm going to make this one into an earring. You could use this as a pendant, but I really like the looks of this for an earring. So look for a video and project on this particular one. Another one, I think I like this more as a pendant, but it could easily be an earring. So we'll take a look for something like these. And these are actually very, very easy to do. They may look a little on the complicated side. Not to worry, they're easy. All right, now we come to some earrings. I was playing around with earring designs and I wanted to do something with wire weaving because I know a lot of you like the wire weaving that I do. So this was my very first one and I made it with a post and I said, it's nice, but not quite. And I do a lot of that. You folks, you probably don't realize how many times I have to make a piece of jewelry before I say, aha, I've got something that I can show you and do a class on. Here's this one, and this is the one that I'm probably going to do a class on. So I made it in this way and I also made it in a slightly different pattern. And I probably am not sure which one I'm going to show, and the difference is how I've got it connected to the earring wire. So the main part of the earring is going to be the same no matter what, and it's just a matter of finishing. How do we want to finish it? All right, so those are some of the upcoming projects we have upcoming. So now I think you probably want to know how in the world you get entered into my giveaway. And by the way, the giveaway is a gift card, if I didn't say it already, $75. Yeah. So it's open, it's open worldwide, as long as you live in a country where you can get things shipped to you. One of the options is an Amazon gift card. The other is my favorite online beading shop, Fusion Beads. It's just all a matter of, if you're overseas and you want to do fusion beads, just make sure they ship to your country. So, but anyway, winner's choice of what kind of gift card that they want. All right, details. How do you get entered? All right, I have a new Facebook page and I'm going to put that Facebook page down below in the description area of this video. I want you to go to that Facebook page. I will have a video there that explains exactly what you need to do on that page in order to get entered into this giveaway. So go ahead, follow that link, then go ahead and listen to the video. It's short, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. And it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. This is probably going to be somewhere in the vicinity of a 10-day contest. So we will look back. I will make the announcement of the winner on Facebook. And the reason being is because YouTube has kind of taken away our options to contact people. And sometimes it's difficult to get hold of people. So it's all going to be on Facebook, where I can get you via Messenger, so I can get your email address and get you your gift card and all that wonderful sort of stuff. So, but I will let you know that I've announced it on Facebook. So anyway, look for some upcoming videos from me for new projects. And also, like I said, go over to the Facebook page, get entered to the $75 gift card, which I'm sure, all of you would probably enjoy getting. Free stuff. It's always good. Anyway, this is Gail signing out for the day, saying have yourself a beautiful day and best wishes and good luck on the giveaway. Hope you win. Bye.